Hey guys, today I'm going to show you where the AC relay and AC fuse are on this 2015 Chevy Traverse. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below? It really helps me out a lot. So we're going to pop the hood and open the hood. There we go. We're going to come over here to the fuse box. The way you open this is by pushing these tabs in. There's 3 of them. And then lifting. This one can be a little bit of a pain. Maybe get a screwdriver to help you. So this actually has a legend here where you can see where everything is. But the AC relay is this relay right here. And the AC fuse is this 10 amp fuse right here. So if this video is helpful, can you just smash that thumbs up button for me? Leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. And thanks for watching and have a good one.